All right. Is this thing on? This thing still working? It's been a long time since I set up this shot and talked to you people. Anyways, for those of you who are not in the Northeast region, we have been dealing with a crap ton of bad weather. By bad, I mean rainy. And I get tired of making excuses and hearing people's excuses about the weather. We can't go out and shoot, can't do this, it's too cold, it's too wet, too cold, too snowy. That's kind of weak in my opinion. So I said, you know what, let me put my money where my mouth is and go out and shoot on location with a model, off-camera flash, in the middle of a rainstorm. So basically went out there on location, an abandoned gas station, and another location, sort of a foresty area by a train station actually, and made some good content. Additionally, for those of you who have not already, like, comment, subscribe, all the YouTube stuff, because I'm just getting myself out there, getting some views up, and I really appreciate at least getting some feedback to let you know, to know that my content's getting out there and you have an opinion about it. So thank you very much. I don't know how to end these things, so guess what? It's over with. I'll see y'all soon on the next one. Thank you. Don't mind me, I'm just doing test shots. Yeah. Yeah. Get a reflection of you in the window, which I already got. 1 second. Eyes up towards me. Perfect. Good, right there. Do a horizontal shot. Beautiful, hold that. Keep going, yep. Good. Good. Hell yeah, right? Look down again. Good emphasis, good energy. Just getting different heights. I got you. Same pose, hold that. Oh, that one right there, hold that. Stay like that, don't move yet. Don't move, low angle. Perfect. Keep holding, keep holding. All right, nice slow angle on this. Cars. Makes it tighter. Boom. Show you the vibe. Good. Get different angles. Boom. How'd you dig it? Take your time.